In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work on Amazon Mechanical Turk, also known as mTurk. mTurk is a unique online marketplace where you can complete small tasks, called Human Intelligence Tasks, or HITs, for payment. This is a great way to earn some extra income from the comfort of your home, and I'm here to guide you through the process from start to finish. First things first, you'll need to create a worker account on mTurk. To do this, start by signing up for an Amazon account if you haven't already. Once your Amazon account is set up, head over to the mTurk platform and request a worker account there. This is a crucial step because without this account, you won't be able to access the tasks available on mTurk. The request process is fairly straightforward, but be sure to provide accurate information because you may be required to verify this information later. Now that your account is ready, it's time to dive into the world of HITs. Once logged in, you can start browsing or searching for available tasks. You'll find a variety of tasks ranging from surveys and data categorization to content moderation. Keep in mind that while some tasks may seem simple, it's important to ensure that you fully understand what's being asked before jumping in. Properly reading and interpreting the task descriptions will not only improve your efficiency, but also increase your chances of getting your work approved by the requester. Once you find a hit that piques your interest, it's time to accept and complete it. Every hit will come with a set of specific instructions. Take a few moments to read these instructions carefully because they are crucial to completing the task correctly. Pay attention to details, as missing out on small instructions might result in your work being rejected. After you have successfully completed the hit according to the given instructions, the next step is to submit your work. Make sure all your work aligns with the instructions before hitting that submit button. A careful review can prevent silly mistakes and increase the likelihood of approval. The final step in the mTurk process is payment. Once you submit your work, it will be reviewed by the requester. If your work meets their standards and is approved, you'll be paid for the task. Keep in mind that different requesters have varying review times, so while some payments might process quickly, others might take a bit longer. By following these steps, you can effectively use mTurk to earn money by completing HITs. Remember, attention to detail and understanding the task requirements are key to maximizing your success on this platform. Thanks for watching, and happy hit hunting!